Hello, and welcome to the 7th in a short series of videos explaining how to use the Solibooks client and office accounting system. In this video, I'm going to look at the bank reconciliation. To do this, click on Reports and Bank Reconciliation, and it brings up the bank reconciliation screen. The first thing we need to do, where it says nominal, is enter the nominal reference of the bank account we want to reconcile. In this case, the office bank account 8200. When I'm doing my accounts, I always like to put the statement number in the statement box. This is just a unique reference and it makes it easier to tie back to the bank statements. So if I put the bank statement in and press tab, and then click the load button in the bottom left hand corner. So as you can see, all the transactions are now listed on the screen. The thing to check when you start a reconciliation is that the brought forward balance is the same as the balance on the bank statement, and when you're finished, the carry forward balance is the same as the carry forward balance on the bank statement. And it's then simply a case of ticking the transactions in the order that they appear on the bank statement. When the report's printed after this, it'll list the transactions in the order that you've ticked them off. So what we're trying to do here is recreate a copy of your bank statement. On any of the headings at the top, you can tick them or click them, and that will order the transactions alphabetically. And we can do this on the date, the reference, which will bring all the checks together. We can do it on the description, so if we're looking for a particular transaction and we know the description, we can order them and then just scroll through to the one we want and tick it. Okay. If you make a mistake and tick one you shouldn't, you can untick it, and as you can see, the balance changes at the end. When you've ticked them all off, check that your carry forward balance is the same as the balance on the statement and simply click reconcile. It'll say, do you wish to reconcile? I say yes. And as you can see, it brings up a report showing me the bank reconciled items on page 1, and the next page will show me all the transactions that aren't reconciled. And you're then free to save that. Now, as part of your reconciliation, it's a 3-step process. That's step 1. The next step is you need to go onto reports and do a selection listing, and you need to take the defaults. And what this will do, as we saw in an earlier video, it will give you a list of all the clients currently on the system. Now, this enables you to tie together the individual transactions that make up the balance of the bank. And once that's tied together, you can put it all onto a spreadsheet and have the fee and assign it. And that's the process that you'll go through for a reconciliation. Thank you.